Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to remove an Google account from your computer or any other computer. If you have logged in your friend or any other computer, you want to remove totally from that computer. So what you have to do, first of all, here you will see you have to select that account which you want to remove, and then you have to open a new window. Okay, now there are three steps which you have to follow. First is you have to click on this Gmail icon. You will see that. Now click on it. So when you click on it, here you will see remove option. Okay, remove an account, just click on it, and here you will see minus option in the circle. Click on it and click yes, remove. Okay, so this is first step. Now second step is go into setting, history, and clear the history. Okay, clear browsing history here. And now third option is you have to click on it, and here you will see setting icon. Okay, click on this setting icon, and now I want to remove this account. So what you have to do, just click on it, and here you will see delete options. Click on delete. So like this you can delete or remove any account from your computer. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.